Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be installing an electrical box for one of my appliances that I'm trying to connect. This box I got from Home Depot has basically these two ears. The reason why I got this box with the ears because I don't have any stud close to my outlet where I wanted to put it. So what I'm going to be doing is making a hole and putting this box in the wall and screw in this ear. As I screw in, it will get tightened and get close to the sheetrock, and it will work as an anchor to support this box so the box doesn't go anywhere, and it's just nice and steady and strong in the sheetrock. So let's get started. So things that I need for my box installation, of course, this is a plier to use to cut the wires, and I'll show you as I go. Electric tape, if you want to mount a receptacle outlet to it. So just want to tape around it. A measuring tape, not necessarily needed, but it's good to have it. A pencil to draw out your box, and a level just to make sure your box is straight, and of course a electrical box. So this is the place where I want to mount my box, and as you see it's very tight next to the cabinet. So there's two things I could do. Either I can get a bigger cover for a receptacle, which I'm not sure it will fit in that place, or I can make a box hole right little to the left of that wire shown, and spackle that area so that hole is covered. So let's see, let me try a few things and see what works best. So my wire is right here, and if I make a box on that hole right here, which will be too tight, and it will be on the right hand side, it will be really hard to cut a hole here, and I might not get a perfect shot here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slide this wire over a little bit here, and then I'll spackle this hole and just make sure the hole is covered. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be putting an outlet box here. This is my reference line. Oh, it didn't come in. So this is my reference line. What I use this level for, just to get a straight line, and once I have one straight line, I can just use this box and trace this box right around it. So you just gotta make sure you trace it well. So now I have this, I can just match these lines up to here. So this is where I'm gonna cut this. So I'll just get my sheetrock knife, or if you have power tool, you can just go all around this border and cut this piece off of sheetrock. So once you have the hole ready, all made, cut and nice and cut right here, what do? Just typically just get the wire into your box. Just want to get I have a lot of slack in the wall, so just want to get a little bit of wire out, so I have a good amount to work with it. Okay, that should do it. Now just slide my box in nice and tight. This box side is in, just gonna go on that. So reason why I have to push a little bit into the wall, because I have a lot of insulation behind the sheetrock, but that's it. There you go. Box is installed, and now we just installed the receptacle. So my box is installed. That hole on the right, what I will do, I will just spackle it and paint it so it will look like a sheetrock. And basically that's it. And this is how you install a box when you don't have a stud behind your wall, or if your wall is already put up and you want to just add an outlet to it, you get a box with the ear and you mount that box within the sheetrock. I'm going to install a receptacle to this wire for the appliance connection. For that, check out my receptacle mounting video. Thank you for watching.